stop scrolling. This could change your money forever. Every investor starts with one lesson. Open the book that changes everything. Take your very first investing step. Small coins build bigger dreams. Give every dollar a clear purpose. Saving today creates tomorrow's freedom. Think long-term, not overnight. Watch your money climb higher. Every chart tells a hidden story. Your laptop opens new opportunities. Investing now fits in your pocket. Smart decisions begin with learning. Follow the line that's rising. Celebrate every small victory. Every seed can become wealth. Build your future brick by brick. Even $1 has power. Compare before making your choice. Choose simplicity over complicated investing. Stay calm when markets shake. Mark your next investing day. Keep investing every single month. Build safety before taking risks. Compound interest rewards your patience. Watch your money jar grow. Climb one step at a time. Financial freedom starts with consistency. Retirement begins with today's choices. Green candles signal growing confidence. Red days don't end journeys. Bull markets reward patient investors. Bear markets test your discipline. Consistency beats perfect timing. Review your progress every year. Never put everything together. Invest from every paycheck possible. Dollars can become powerful growth. Tiny coins create big momentum. Let automation build your habits. Progress feels amazing when measured. Pause before every buying decision. Fear should never control investing. Hold steady through uncertainty. Time is your greatest advantage. Balance every risk with wisdom. Follow a simple investing checklist. Plant goals you truly believe. Keep following your wealth roadmap. Learn first, invest second. Books often create better investors. Check your portfolio with confidence. Green numbers keep motivation alive. Simple graphs reveal powerful lessons. Teaching others strengthens your knowledge. The S&P 500 spreads opportunity. Start small, dream much bigger. Savings grow faster than expected. Keep climbing without looking back. Picture the future you're creating. Dividends quietly reward patience. Saving protects. Investing multiplies. Inflation never stops moving. Let investing fight inflation back. Break free from heavy debt. Build wealth one layer higher. Track every important milestone. Monthly habits change your future. Even dollars can grow roots. Compound growth loves consistency. Keep aiming beyond the clouds. Your future self will smile. Wealth grows across many years. Time transforms ordinary investments. Planning brings lasting peace. Every note records your journey. Good habits create great outcomes. Automatic investing removes excuses. Diversification builds stronger foundations. Carry confidence into every decision. Keep climbing toward greater wealth. Celebrate reaching another milestone. Let growth stay behind you. Earn while your money works. Great mornings build great futures. Discipline beats motivation every time. Every idea starts somewhere. Better habits build bigger wealth. A clear plan wins often. Celebrate every achievement proudly. Confidence grows with experience. Momentum can launch amazing results. Protection matters as much. Your investment jar keeps filling. Success comes from small actions. Market dips become valuable lessons. Patience usually wins eventually. Decades unlock incredible growth. Keep showing up every month. Investing doesn't need complexity. 1. Your S&P 500 journey starts today.